Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu or Aap Dekh Rahe hain Cycler Hub. In this video, we will discuss the assignment of science and technology. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answer in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this answer, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. So we will provide all the answers accordingly. If you need, you can also the online classes for all the courses we have for from 6 to 12 classes, so you can enroll this course. And now here we are discussing question number 1a. Before this, the question number a is, so the distance time graph of the motion of an object is given. The answer the following questions based on the graph. To find the average speed of the object during 0 to 6 and 0 to 9 seconds. Mention the time interval during which the object remained at rest. So this is the question. If you need answer of all the questions, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, which is 900 936 8238. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.